A glass of water can flip an image. Do you confuse your B's and your D's? Me too. Well, I've got the solution just for you. First of all, take some water, pour it into a glass like this. Your B becomes a D. Hello everyone, we've got another cool science experiment for you here today. All you need for this one, just a glass of water. And this one is really cool. It seems like a magic trick. First of all, take a piece of paper. On your paper, you're going to draw some arrows. You can see the yellow arrows are pointing one way and the pink arrow is pointing the other way. Now watch what happens as I move the arrows behind the glass. As we lower them down, you can see the arrows will change direction. Bring back to the front and then back behind. This is because as light enters the water, it needs to slow down. As light slows down, it will bend. Then, as the light exits the water, it will speed up again, and that will make it bend again. When this light enters our eyes, it is completely flipped. And that's why a glass of water can flip an image.